Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the what is local storage. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is local storage? Local storage is a feature of the web storage API. So basically it's a web storage API that allows website to store the key value pairs in a user's browser. If I open Google or something, okay, if I just inspect the element where we have a storage, here you can see that we have a local storage. So when go with Google, so see, key value pairs are stored, okay, and here uses browser, it is synchronous, stores strings only, data persists even after the closing the browser, okay, and the size limit is 5 MB per origin, vary slightly by the browser. So it's always stored the value that is key value pairs. So here you can see that it stores the key value pairs, right? And here also you can see that the auth, cached value, everything, so they have saved in the local storage. Okay, so the next one, that is why use local storage, because persistent data stays until explicitly cleared. Okay, it always there, fast, no server request required, simple, just key value storage, free, no backend cost, offline friendly, works without internet also. So use cases, so where we are using this in saving the login token. So here you can see that they are also saving the login token auth2. Here you can see, right? Remember user preferences like dark mode, language, layout. So something like when we switch the languages, right? English, Hindi or something. So in that cases we are using this local storage. Shopping cart, keep the cart data even after refresh, so in that case we are maintaining from the shopping cart. Track analytics locally, save user behavior before sending it to the server. Draft saving, auto save blocks and the form input. Last visit, show welcome message, and we can also do like this. Last visit, when the user visit the last one, according to it we are showing the pop-up or the welcome message. Game progress, save the level and the stay score. Okay, real world scenario like saving cart items in the commerce dark mode, save JWT token after login, form auto save draft. So these are the real world scenario where we are using the this one local storage. Local storage limitations, so it's not secure, don't store sensitive information like the passwords, only strings, you must use JSON string and JSON parse for that. Limited storage, only 5 MB per domain. Blocking, it's synchronous and can block the main thread. No expiration, so you must manually clear if needed. Okay, how to set the local storage? Just local storage dot set item and the key and the value. And how to get one? So get item and the value key pair key, here you have to mention the key. Here it is token, so token you have to mention. How to clear the local storage? Just remove the item and the key you have to mention in removing the item. Alternatives, session storage you can use. Data should be cleared when the tab is closed. Cookies, data must be sent over the server on every request. IndexedDB, complex structured data and the large data sets you can use in IndexedDB. Quick test console, so here you can see that if I go back, so here you can see that local storage set item, and here you have to mention the name and the raj and the console that local storage dot get item, you will get this one. If I go over here and in the console, if you put over here local storage dot set item, and here you have to mention the token, and here I can mention the value. Okay, so here you can see that if I go to the storage, I think we have to get the item also, local storage dot get item. Okay, so here we have the console. If I go with the console dot log, okay, so here I'm local storage dot get item. Okay, so we have to mention the item, that is token, Let's take a look. So it is SS, so it is set in this local storage and we get this one. Okay, so this is how you can do that, and if you want to clear that, you have to just clear the local storage. Okay, so this is all about the local storage. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.